The fob locks, but it doesn't unlock. So let's take it apart here and see a little bit closer what might be causing that. So we know we have a good battery, and already I can see right here, there is, focus, por favor, right there in the bottom. The little component needs to be resoldered. I think it's a capacitor. So that capacitor there in the bottom, that needs to be fixed. I'm trying to show you here. Right here, that guy right there. He's crooked. It doesn't look like he's on the pads that he should be on. But since we have it apart, let's check the other side. See how that looks. Oh, Okay, so I say we first clean up this side and then just fix that little capacitor right there and see what that does. You can see how nice and nasty that is. Little IPA on a Q-tip, and that already looks a lot better. Looks better. Let's try it now that it's cleaned and that solder joint has been fixed. Okay, put that back in like that. Get our battery slid back in. And I'll put this back into the key. Let's go test it out. Test out our work. Lock. Good. Now unlock. Oh yeah. Look at that. It works.